I think revival is good when it makes sure that there's richness and there's variety. And this is important because otherwise, like in ecology, what you'll have a narrowing down dynamics of less and less variety. You know what? I feel this is important. I'm not even sure why. I mean, again, when I see people, working very hard to save the last community of some kind of wolf or a bear or whatever, I feel they're doing the right thing. I don't know why. I mean, it's not completely rational. But most people will agree that there should be many kinds of animals and not just cats and rats in the street. I'm not sure if this can be justified rationally, and some people try to justify it rationally. It sounds kind of stupid. But I feel that way. I think this is important. Again, this is important only if it serves to maintain the variety. If you do this and lose something else, I'm not sure it's worth it. But I have to think of it. I'm not sure why is this important in a way. I mean, I wouldn't say that it makes people smarter or less. Probably big groups are more dangerous in a way. So you can say that if groups are culturally varied and small and different, the chances of violence are smaller in a way. Everybody listens to the same song. Maybe there's something scary about it. There's too much power in one group, but maybe that's rationalization. I don't know.